Today in STEAM class, our young scientists explored the concept of weight by sorting objects into light and heavy categories. Using planning and self-monitoring skills, students made thoughtful predictions and tested them through hands-on investigation. They engaged with curiosity, lifting items and discussing results with peers. It was a fun, brain-boosting session filled with discovery and teamwork.
Right, so we got some cards here. This one, what is it? What is it? Snail. Is a snail heavy or light? Yeah. Right. A dog. Dog. Is a dog heavy or light? Dog. Heavy, yeah. Right. A jug full of milk. Jug full of milk. Is that heavy or light?
Heavy.
Yes, sir. Which one, heavy or light? Jug full of milk. Yeah, very heavy. A big jug with milk, it's full. It's heavy. Right, hand. A fan. Is a fan heavy or light?
Light.
Can you pick up a fan? Can you carry a fan? No, it's heavy. Yeah.
Heavy.
Okay, heavy, yeah, something for... All right. Lucas. Paper. Paper. Is paper heavy or light? Light. Yes, light. Good boy. Paper, yeah? Like tissue. Very light. Right, what have we got for you? An owl. Is an owl heavy or light? An owl, baby owl. Oh, yeah, it's light. Right, what about glass? Is glass heavy or light? Yes, it's heavy. What about metal? Is metal heavy or light? What? Heavy. Heavy. Oh, heavy, yes? Okay, good job. Done. Right, I want something that is light. Can you find something that is light? Pick it up, show me, give it me, yeah. Yeah, light, yes? You understand? Good. Okay, put it here. I'm gonna put heavy. Let's have a look.
It's about the on here.
Yeah, the scissors, yeah. The scissors are heavy. Careful, okay. Good job. They're heavy. Spider is light. Go on then, you'll go. I want something light. Is this light? Yeah, light. Look, put him in there. Let you'll go. Yes, sir. You'll go. Something that is heavy. Like a battery. Can you find a battery? Battery. A battery. Is heavy. Yeah, this is heavy. Whoa, heavy, please. Yeah, okay, another ball if you want, up to you. Okay, good job. Luca, heavy. Something that is heavy. Is this heavy? A little bit. Yeah, it's got some weight, good. Something that is light.